In this video, I want to show you the functionality of resources in Filevine. So, first of all, the resources in Filevine let you to know more info about Filevine, whereby you can share your updates. You can find something that what you need, whether you have a question, so you can ask it, and they have a certain of level of trainings guides that you can see in the resources. So the first resource that they have is you can share your feedback in their resources page. You see that? So that's the first resources they have. So they say that what feedback would you like to share, what are you trying to achieve, what are you currently work around. So here is it. You see that they list all the products area, so that's what they can easily reach out to you. And also you can open your portal, and another one is announcement also. So under the announcement, you can see this is the word new in their platform, so you can easily see there. That's what's new. So another one is status page. So this one is very important, whether your website down for some times. So this is the uh where you can check your website, so the status of it. Let us see. So now they have to ask my ID. Okay, I just want to show you. So this is how it will look like. Okay, I think I show the real one. I supposed to show the real one. I'm not sure they has it. I'm not sure. Alright, let's continue. So they has epicenter also. So this epicenter, you can click on it. So it will take you to the main page, as you can see. So this is the epicenter, the trainings, and all these article that they ask for you. So this is the promoted articles. So that's what's contained. So also this is the status page, release notes, and webinars also. So another one is what? Sorry, another one is Fiverr University. So the Fiverr University is a page that you use to learn in this is the page that you use to learn about Fiverr. Right. So this is the Fiverr page that I was talking about. Alright. So I should do this. So I want to try to show you. So this is the Fiverr page, the Fiverr University page. You see that? So that's it. So this is what contain all what you learn about Fiverr. So this is their catalog, you can see. So all these are all courses. So they have level 1, level 2, level 3. So this is where you learn Fiverr. So now another one is AI. So this AI is a is where that is the page that you can ask a question about what you are working on. As you can see, they are also planned some snippets for you. This is what will replace AI. So I need to answer, as you can see. So it's open a page. You see, it recommend the video of the CEO and founder. As you can see. So as you can see, so that's what it recommends. So that's what I want to talk about the resources. Thank you for watching.